Hello again, this is Eric at RC Monster Garage MotoStyle Hobby Shop. Again today we're showing you like a new toy. It's kind of not new, it's out there for a while, from a company called Rage. And this little guy. This is the world's smallest drone with a Wi-Fi camera to fly and do FPV with. Just so you know how small it is that small. The entire thing is one big battery on the bottom. You have the camera right there looking at you. This is for comparison the size of the remote, and those are fairly inexpensive. They made very good to fly and they're very stable. 2.4 remote. You can do like aerial photography and video. Very cool. It's have headlock mode. It's have hold attitude mode. It's really cool, and now they're available at our shop, 17540 Chatsworth Street, and they're on special for the holidays. Now like and subscribe our channel, because we're gonna be giving some of those for free for people that gonna write for us nice comments. You just have to write nice comments, like and share our videos, and you can win one of those little guy, and it's gonna get shipped right to your home. And this is the NanoCam FPV from Rage. Very cool little guy, can literally fit in your pocket. Like, subscribe and follow us.